Ay, mag-boomerang ka ba? That's really good, actually.
Sapporo City.
Sapporo. It's freezing cold. First meal in Sapporo. Let's go. I smell beer. Cheers, cheers. Good morning from sunny Sapporo. Our guide, Oscar, is already here, and we're thankful for the sun because the 5 degrees feels like 9. I don't know if you can see this, but it's already cold. So we'll see how the day gets on. We were all new to Sapporo, and in our opinion, a walking tour was the perfect way to get acquainted with a new place. Our hotel was only a few blocks away from Maruyama Park.
You're not guard, so you don't walk in the...
Fun fact, or maybe not so fun fact, they caught a brown bear in this park a week before our visit. They closed down the park. And during our visit, we were lucky that they were open and of course that there were no more brown bears. Now entering Hokkaido Shrine.
Left hand, right hand, and to reach the mouth.
Left, right. Left, right, left, then drink from your left hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, we just do that together.
What is that?
5? I don't know. Where can we go?
What is that for?
5 yeah. No, like a Japanese, then we put a box.
Into the box.
Yeah, like when you watch animation, then we
Oh,
put
it has to
that.
be
Then-
5?
And 5 is the best. If you don't have 5, 10, this is okay.
Here? Or there? Yeah.
And so we put the money to the box, okay? And we bow twice.
Twice.
And to clap the hand twice. And you can make a wish.
Okay.
Then finally, 1 bow.
Okay.
Okay.
2 bow.
2 bow, 2
claps,
claps,
1 bow.
1 bow.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. We do that together.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Our tour guide Oscar said mochi from this place is good, so we're gonna try it out. I think they're already inside. Ay, mag-boomerang ka ba? Our walking tour involves riding the subway, and we're now in Shiroi Koibito Park. Not sure why we ended up here. A theme park for all ages with a mechanical clock tower a main attraction. There were tiny houses, a cute bridge, a Christmas tree garden of sorts. Even the buildings look pretty. Many angles for photos and videos. What's not to love?
Five constituents.
I imagine the magic would quadruple with snow, but it is still magical without. It's really good, actually. The best hot chocolate of this trip. I said what I said. Inside the park is a chocolate factory and museum. Those are paid attractions, which we skipped. We're now en route a market for lunch. This wholesale market felt like it was on the outskirts already. We should have known that it's always places like these that have the best food.
Seaweed and small with soy sauce. It's not with
Okay.
I will. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay.
Hands down, the best fishes I've ever tasted. They are also famous for crabs and other seafood, and I'd imagine it would have also been great. By 4 p.m., we started the journey to Mount Moiwa.
First time I saw a tram.
We hopped on a tram. We were supposed to board a bus, but changed our minds and walked up to the ropeway entrance instead.
Customers wishing to use the ropeway, please proceed to the ropeway boarding platform.
Okay.
The many buildings viewable at the foot of the mountain are in the Odori and Susukino districts. This is the downtown area of Sapporo City.
Sapporo.
Although the downhill route may seem a little faster, both operate at the same speed for the 1,200-meter distance. Mount Moiwa, which you are visiting today, is 531 meters above sea level.
It was about a 5-minute ride to the observatory deck. We made it! We're in Moiwa! Mount Moiwa! There's a bell. This is the observation deck. It's freezing cold. What's this? There's a river.
Yes.
Look at that. That is snow. That makes more sense. This is the bell over here.
The Sapporo Mount Moiwa ropeway started operations in 1958. Since then, the ropeway has undergone 2 renovations to make it a quieter and more comfortable ride.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.